standard R and the standard error are only useful for comparatives. So if you're doing multiple regressions, you would look at these two to compare models. So how would you know one model is better from the other? You would compare adjusted R and standard error. So let's do that right now. So I see my standard error for the one in my output on the center screen is higher. The one or lower, and the standard error estimate over here on my slide seems to be lower. Sorry, it seems to be higher. The R squared, though, on my model summary is really, really small here, but is really, really high in my slide. So if I were to choose which model seemed to be good, just based on the model summary, I would probably pick mine from the slide, because my R squared is really high. The caveat for doing this is that you can't really know which model is better than the other just from one of these pieces. So all these three pieces, the reason we say that you want to include these in your homework is because they all add a part of the story. So they're all parts of the puzzle. You can't really know if your model is good just from your model summary, just from your coefficients table, or just from your ANOVA table. You have to use all of those three together, plus your scatter plot. It adds to the story. Okay, it's like you're building a legal case. Is your model good? You have to bring up all of these things. Yeah.
This week's homework, did we need all that?
You needed stuff on my slide. Yes.
But none of the questions asked for an output. So now, we're wondering if it's asking for a plot or a scatter plot, do we include the models? Because it doesn't ask, in any of these questions, it doesn't say present the output.
Okay.
It does in her homework. Like if you go to the week 1, Dropbox, she adds like part D and E to some of the questions and says run the model